Very good evening, students. Hope you all are doing great. We really apologize because we couldn't join on time because we had 1 second. Yeah. So we had some technical issue, so we were not able to join on time. All right, students. So in today's topic, we are going to see linear equations. In linear equations, one of the fundamental concepts which is necessary to solve the numericals. All right, so let's get into the sum. Right. So this is pair of linear equations part 2. All right. Yes. So here now, how do we solve for x and y here? We have x plus y is equal to 10. Then we have x minus y is equal to 4. So here we need to solve this and get the values of x and y. So the best method is you can add, the best way is you can add both the equation. So what you get when you add both the equation, we get 2x, y get cancelled because plus y minus y gets cancelled is equal to 10 plus 4 is 14, which gives x is equal to 14 by 2, which is 7. All right. And with this 7, you can substitute in one equation. X plus y is 10. So you can put 7 instead of x. So 7 plus y is 10. Therefore, y is equal to 10 minus 7, which gives y is 3. So this is how we solve for x and y. If you have to, check, you can put these values in any one equation and check for your left hand side with your right hand side. For example, we have x plus y is 10. So what is x? 7. Plus what is y? 3. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Or x minus y is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Right? So you can always do the checking. All right. Now, how do we do this? Earlier sum we had this. Now how do we do this? Yes. So if you are able to quickly solve it, you can put your answers in the chat box. Okay. Right. So let us add both. So you get 2x is equal to 15 plus 3, 18. So x is equal to 18 by 2, which implies x is equal to 9. And you can put this value in any one equation. We are going to put it here. 9 plus y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15 minus 9. Therefore, y is equal to 6. So the value of y is 6. The value of x is 9. Just check up x minus y. 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay. So this is how you do the, checking as to find out whether the value of x and y is correct. All right. Next we have p plus q is 30. P minus q is 10. Right. So let us add. So when we add plus q minus q gets cancelled. So we get 2p is equal to 40, which implies p is equal to 40 divided by 2, which implies p is equal to 20. All right. Next, p plus q is equal to 30. So what is q? 30 minus p. What is p? 20. Therefore, q is equal to 30 minus 20 is 10. So you can just check in any one equation. P plus q, 20 plus 10 is 30. So the value of our p and q is correct. All right, students. So if you are able to quickly solve it, put your answers in the chat box. Right. Now, here, every time. Okay. So when you add, what happens? You get 2q. So in this case, what should you do? You should subtract evenly every item in the equation. So 5 minus 2 is 3p plus q minus q gets cancelled is equal to 29 minus 14. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So 15. Okay. Therefore, p is equal to 15 by 3. So p is equal to 3 5s are 15. Okay. 5p plus q is equal to 29. 5 into p is 5 plus q is 29. So q is equal to 29 minus, when this number comes there, it becomes 25. So 5 5s are 25. So 29 minus 25 is 4. Right? 9 minus 5 is 4. So you can just do the checking. How do you do the checking? In any one equation, 2p plus q. So 2 into p plus q. So 10 plus 4 is 14. So that is only your answer here. So our answer to the equation is correct. All right, students. So please put your answers in the chat box. Right? Fine. Yes. So that's what it is being done here. So P is 5, Q is 4. All right. Now see here. Here we don't have to subtract because if you add itself, y gets cancelled. So 8, 9, 10, 11x is equal to 19, 20, 21, 22. So x becomes 22 by 11, whereby x is equal to 2. Now you just have to put this equation. Let us put it in 3x minus y is equal to 3. So 3 into x minus y is 3. So 6 minus y is 3. Minus y is equal to 3. When this goes to the other side, it becomes minus 6. So minus y is equal to minus 3. Minus minus gets cancelled. So y is 3. So you can just check for this. Put it in 3x plus y is equal to 19. So x into 2 plus 3. So 8 2s are 16 plus 3, 19. So 19 is equal to 19. All right, students. So this elimination method is a very common one that is being used. All right. So hope you all are getting this answer. And with this, let's move on to the next question. All right. See here. Now there is one thing to be noted. Until earlier sums, if you add or minus, somehow one variable got cancelled. Right. But here from this equation, you should make it equal. As simple as that. Okay. For example, equation 1 into 1 gives 5p plus 2q is equal to 26. So let us make q equal. So equation 2 into 2 gives, throughout you should multiply by 2. So 2 2s are 4p plus 1 into q is 1. Q into 2 is 2q is equal to 2 11s are 22. See here you can see q is common, isn't it? So you can just cancel plus 2q minus 2q. 5 minus 4 is 1p is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4. All right, now let's get the value of q by just putting this value of p in one equation. So q is equal to 11 minus 2p. Q is equal to 11 minus 2 into the value of p we got is 4. So q is 11 minus 8. So q is 3. Right? So now you can just do the checking. Let us take 5p plus 2q. So 5 into p plus 2 into 3. So 20 plus 6, 26. So our answer is correct. So this is how you do the checking, right? I'm sure you all must have understood with this elimination method, right? So if you've got the answers, please put your answers in the chat box. All right. So rewrite the equation so that the coefficient of any one variable is same, right? Yes. All right. So just a second, students. Yes. So we'll quickly continue with that. So these sums are already done by us. Yeah. So this is what we did earlier, right? Yes. So let us do the next sum. Okay. Yeah. Just a second. Yes. Just a second, students. I'm just sharing it. Okay. All right. So, right. So this was done, right? Next question we are just proceeding with. So we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. 4x plus y is equal to 6, right? Yes. Fine. So now how do we solve this? So we can just take this equation as number 1 and we can take this equation as number 2. All right? Yes. So equation 1 into 1 would give us 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. Equation 2. Now this I'm trying to make the y same so that I can cancel the y. So what should I multiply? I should multiply by 2 so that 2 4s are 8x plus 2 into 1y is 2y is equal to 12. Right? So now I'm going to evenly subtract all the items in the equation. So plus 2y minus 2y gets cancelled. Minus 8x becomes minus 5x is equal to minus 5. So minus minus gets cancelled. So x is equal to 5 by 5, which implies x is equal to 1. So with this, I can put it in any one equation. Let's take the second equation, 4x plus y is equal to 6. So let us just multiply the value of x is 1 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6, and when this minus plus 4 goes to the other side, it becomes minus 4. So y is equal to 2. All right. So the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 2. So a very quick checking can be done using any one equation. So I'm just students. So hope you would have got the answers. Please put your answers in the chat box. All right. Now let's move on to the next question. Right. So here also, let us consider this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So equation 1 into 1 would give us 3x plus 2y is equal to 36. Equation 2 into 2. Why? Because I'm trying to make the y same. So 2 4s are 8x minus 2y is equal to 2 7s are 14, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Now I just have to add both. That's all. So 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11x is equal to, I'm just adding. So 6 plus 4, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So x becomes 110 by 11, whereby x is equal to 10. So 11 into 10 is 110. With this, I can substitute the value of x in any one equation. So 4 into 10 minus y is equal to 37. Minus y is equal to 37. When this goes to the other side, it becomes minus 40. So minus y is equal to minus 3. So the value of y becomes 3. Clear? All right. Now let us do the checking. So 4x minus y. So 4 into x minus 3. So 40 minus 3 is 37. So our answer is correct. Is it clear, students? So this is how we check whether our answers are right so that we can proceed with the next step. All right. Now let's move on to the next sum. Earlier sum 36 4x. I think the same sum. All right. See the next sum. This is a different one. Yes. So here we can assume this is one first equation, second equation. So 1 into 1 is 5a plus 3b is equal to 42. 2 into 3 will give us 7 3s are 21a minus 3b is equal to 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So 55 plus 21 becomes 26a is equal to, you're just going to add it, isn't it? So 3 plus 2, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the value of A becomes 135 by 26. Okay, so 1 into 1, 2 into 3. So 3 sevens are 21, 3, 9. Correct. So 26A is equal to 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Correct. Right. So now what is the value of A? 26, 26 into 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 2 are 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? So 26 into 6 becomes 6 6 are 36, 6 2 are 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So we get the value of A as, now let us, usually such decimals will not come. Okay. No problem. Let's try. So we have, so 26 twos are 52. So let's take 26 into 1 as 26. 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. Right. So one more decimal place, let's find out. So 26 into 10 becomes 260. So 26 into 9. Let's add 1 0. Yes. So 26 into 9 will give 234. Okay. Because 26 into 10 will give us 260. So with this, we can just get the value as, we can keep it either as 5.19, or we can have it as A is 135 by 26. So any way you can do. Now let us move on to the second equation. 7A minus B is 31. Okay, just a second, one more checking let's do, so that we did not miss anything. 3 sevens are 3, 3 ones are 3 threes are. Okay, so 5 plus 1 6, 26. A is 3 plus 2 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Correct. Okay, so now 7 into, let's take without decimals, minus B is 31. Okay, so, or let's take with decimals, that should be easy for us. Minus B is 31. So minus B is 31 minus 7 into 5.19. Okay. So 7 into 5.19 would give us 36.33. 36.33. When we subtract this from 31, we get minus B is equal to minus 5.33. So B is 5.33. Okay, so usually such decimals will not be given, so you don't have to worry about it. But even if it comes, you can either have it in the fractional form, or you can also uh, have it in the decimal form. Okay, all right. Now see the next sum. 3p plus 2q is 17. 4p plus 3q is 24. All right. So let's take this as equation 1, this is equation 2. Again, let us target q. So 1 into 3, because here it is 3. So 3 3s are 9p plus 3 2s are 6q is equal to 17 into 3. So 3 sevens are 21, 3 4 5, 51. Equation 2 into 2. 2 4s are 8p plus 2 3s are 6q is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So let us subtract. 9 minus 8 is p is equal to 11 minus 8 to 3. So the value of p becomes 3. Now let us take equation 1. 3p plus 2q is equal to 17. 3 into p plus 2 into Q is 17. So 2Q is equal to 17 minus 9. 2Q is 8, whereas the value of Q becomes 8 by 2, that is 4. Okay, so we can always do the checking in any one. Let's take 4P plus 3Q. 4 into 3 plus 3 into 4. So 12 plus 12 is 24. So this is our answer. So our answer is correct. Okay. All right. Now let's move on to the next question. Was it same? No, different. So let's take this as 1. Let's take this as 2. So equation 1 and 2. Now for a change, let's cancel P. 1 into 2. 6P plus 14Q is 44. 2 into 3. 6P plus 9Q is equal to 39. Right? So now let us subtract. So P will get cancelled. So 14 minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5Q is 5. So Q becomes 5 by 5, which is 1. Now let us get the answer for P. So we know Q is 1, so it is 3. 2P is 13 minus 3. 2P becomes 10. P is 10 by 2. So P is 5. So now how do you do the checking? Take the first equation, 3P plus 7Q. 3 into P plus 7 into 1, 7. So 15 plus 7. So it is 22. Okay, students. So this is how you find out the value. All right. Now let's quickly do the next sum as well. First equation, second equation. So 1 and 2. Was it the same? No. So 1 and 2. 3. 3 sevens are 21. 3 fours are 12. 3 elevens are. So 2 into 7. Okay. So 7 threes are. 7 fives are. 7 eights are. All right. So now let us change the signs. Okay. So what is 12 minus 35? 35 minus 12. It becomes minus 23Q is equal to 56 minus 33. 5 minus 3 is 2. Minus 23. Okay. So minus minus gets cancelled. So Q is 23 by 23, which is 1. Okay. So 3P plus 5Q is 8. 3P plus 5 is equal to 8. 3P is, when this plus 5 goes there, it becomes 8 minus 5 is 3. So P is 1. So P is 1, Q is 1. So 3 plus 5, 8. So our answer is right. So this is how you check for the values of P and Q. Hope you all have got the correct answers, and whatever answers you are getting it, please put it in the chat box. All right. Next one. So any one you can take. So this time we'll take Q. So equation 1 into 1 becomes 7P plus 4Q is equal to 32. 2 into 4 becomes 4P plus 4Q is equal to 4 5s are 20. So let's just subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3P is equal to 12. So P is equal to 4. Right? So now P plus Q is 5. Q is equal to 5 minus 4. So Q is 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Right? So this is how you check your answers. Please do check the answers as and when you complete it. All right. So with this, our today's class comes to an end, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any queries, you can always contact us in our WhatsApp 733-728-5228. All right. Thank you so much. Keep watching our channel.